Hi, and welcome to another exciting and fun section of Android development training. Now, this is a section which almost a lot of you have been waiting so long. Now, in this section, we'll take down the audio and video on the Android app. Now, playing audio and video is so much fun and so much easy in Android. What we'll be doing in this section, first of all, we are going to learn how a sound is played on an Android devices. We'll explore the basics of it, as well as we'll also understand how the videos are played on an Android devices. Further, we will also learn how we can add volume rocker so that you can adjust volume down and up in your Android device by a customized graphic icon. Also, further we'll explore how we can add a timeline on your audio app so that you can drag and drop onto wherever the section of the audio you want to jump on, just like simple smudging of the audio. Further, once we have taken down these basics, we'll try and move on to building two awesome apps. The one app will be simple, kind of a pat-a-tap clone where you tap on an icon and it plays a random music. Now, in this case, the music is being used by the pat-a-tap GitHub repository. We'll talk about them later on, and it's a completely open source for fun stuff and you can use that. Now, further, the second app is going to be further more exciting, and that will give you a little bit chance of learning numbers in Spanish. Now, I know a lot of you don't understand the number in the Spanish, but this is a good point to learn some basics of Spanish as well. We'll have 10 blocks on our Android app from 1 to 10, and whenever you tap on any of that, like 1 or 2, it gives you equivalent sound in the Spanish. Like for example, one will be called as uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, and all of that. Now hey, don't judge me on the basis of my accent of Spanish. I'm also a learner of Spanish, and you can be also too. Now this section is very important because nowadays all of the Android apps uses sound and video at some point of the time. And with this section, completion of this section, you'll be completely ready to take down any audio or video challenge that will be thrown to you during your company or for your dream project that you're thinking to build up. Now with this, let's get started and move on into this section.